Hey guys, in this video I'll show you the stake promo codes and the best stake US promo codes, the bonus codes for free rewards, and I'll show you ones that work for every country as well. So all you need to actually do is go to Google, type in stake promo code. The reason I'm showing you this, I want you to get the latest working ones at all time. Then you come here, click on tools, and you change this from any time to at least past month or past year. Okay, and you'll find a lot of promo codes here that you can use. This one 5 days ago for June, right? 29th of May. You come to these websites, you'll see these promo codes. You can just copy and paste these. These are registration codes, these are bonus codes, they're different types, and these are worldwide ones, you can see, and you'll find a lot more on different websites. Okay, just come here, click on the one you want, and you'll be able to copy them. Okay, so same thing on this website as well. You can see a bunch of them. So really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.